Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to generate images using ideogram. Okay, so ideogram is a platform that works as an AI that allows you to create all kinds of pictures, from logos to 3D images and all that. Okay, so the first step will be to go to Google from our internet browser, and we will search ideogram.ai. Okay, so the first option that says ideogram.ai, we click on that, and we need to, in the case you don't have an account, you can sign up with your Google account, and after that you can just log in. Okay, so in my case I already have an account, so I just click login and automatically it will log in on the platform. As you can see, we have like a variety of styles and different pictures we can create with this AI. So basically it's limited to what you want. For example, you can see that we have like very specific prompts. The better the prompt you have, the better result you will get. So let's say, yeah, I don't know, I want to create like a cat holding a sign with a name or with a word, so we can just tell the AI to do that. So let's say real photo of a cat holding a sign that says hello. Of course, we can change the format. We can make it like a vertical format, a square format, or a horizontal format. We also have two different versions of the same model or the same AI, and we can change the privacy of the pictures. Of course, if we want the people to see our results, we can hit public, and also we can add like different properties. In my case, I just want it to be cinematic and 3D render. Okay, so we click on generate, and we need to wait 15 seconds for the AI to generate our pictures. It will generate 4 proposals, so you can choose the one that you like more. So yeah, as you can see, we have like very good results. We need the AI to finish the render or the result. And for example, I just really like this one. We can click on remix if we don't want something, or we can or if we want to change something on the prompt, but also we can hit on download to have the picture on your computer. So as you can see, I already have the picture. So basically that's it, guys. I hope you like it, and bye.